Yo, what's fucking good? It's your boy Gilly, and I'm back with the gay kid in the Minecraft shirt.
So lucky.
And then we're just here with an extreme savage. Now we're doing an egg challenge where we have to put an egg on the tip of the spoon, and whoever drops it has to walk from here, and there's a big field on like a block down, from here to the big field and back with your pants down and just showing your underwear.
Below the knees.
Below the knees.
This kid's just being too lazy because you know his fat thighs are gonna rip the pants.
Alright, let's get this started. I'ma go.
Let's get this started.
I'm going first.
You're going first?
I'm going first.
You wanna go first?
Hispanics go first.
Shit. I'm Hispanic too, nigga. Alright, go.
Alright.
Where's the egg?
Oh
Yeah,
shit.
the nigga isn't fucking. He's like, what?
What the
Dude, this dude just
Yeah, I think he caught that on video. Did he get it?
Alright, here's the egg.
Carlos.
Go. Now you have to go from here to that mailbox over there. Oh! Yo, he did it!
Yeah, walk like that. Yeah, walk like that.
Not joking. Alright, I got my spoon.
over there.
Gilbert, how do you feel?
Oh no, we can't cheat.
Yes, it's like that.
Gilbert, open your mouth wide,
Ah.
like you did last night.
Really, nigga?
Gilbert, stop acting cool. You're gonna like fucking drop it.
What'd you say? I can go to the house, nigga.
Okay,
Get
next.
out. Nigga.
Okay, next one. Who's next?
Next, my
Gabriel
brother.
Gonzalez.
What's 9 plus 10?
I don't know.
He's like,
Alright, you ready? Alright. Go. This nigga. Just shut up. Alright, that's it. You did good. Good job.
Yeah, we're good. We're just doing a little egg challenge here.
Why were you so nervous? Alright, how do you feel, buddy?
21.
Alright,
he's gonna fail. You can already see him fail.
Alright, great job. Steve, how do you feel about his performance tonight? Alright, now since no one lost in this challenge, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna spin 10 times with the bat and then walk while we're dizzy, but the same distance. Are you ready? I'm gonna place the egg once you're done spinning. Ready, set, go.
1, 2. 10.
Oh shit! What up?
Hurry up! No way! No way!
Yo, watch the wind.
Alright. My turn. 1. Go!
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
10. Go, Gilbert.
Oh shit.
Somebody
Yo,
else
give me
will
the egg.
go, nigga.
Yeah.
No touching! No touching! No touching! No touching! No touching! No touching! No touching!
You're good.
He did it. I did it. Ready, set, go.
I'll put it on your forehead.
2, 3,
He can't even
4,
do it right.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10. Put the thing in your mouth. Hurry up. Take your
Go.
go.
He
lost. He lost.
Yeah.
Carlos has to go.
Hey, but he already lost.
No, you have to
Yeah,
go
but
too.
if you
I know,
lose, you guys have to do a
I know.
You
rematch.
guys have to know. Both do it together. They have to both hold hands and do it together. Yes, right?
Ready, set, 1, 2, 3,
7, 8, 9.
10. Put the egg. Hurry up.
Go!
Come on, get it.
This nigga.
They survived. Now it's just Gabriel to do it.
No, nigga. Go. All right, guys, we just added another thing to the consequence. He has to say hi to every car that looks at him. All right, go. Hurry up.
What are you doing? No.
No, the faster you do that.
Go.
He dropped him. That guy honked.
Wave at them.
Say hi.
Watermelon.
Yo. All right, guys. We're at the beginning of the field. Now he has to turn around.
Hey, yo, use your phone.
You're going too fast. Oh, psych. All right, turn around and say hi to that car.
Wait, did that guy stick out the middle finger at him?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Gabriel got police! Gabriel got fucked! Okay, stick your pants up. Stick your pants up. Nobody wants to see a small dick.
All right. All right, good job. Way to serve the consequence. Next challenge. What we're gonna do is we're gonna stand here in a group of 4, because there's only 4 of us. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna hand each other the egg.
squad.
All right,
Gay
hand it
circle.
around.
Gay
Right here. Now
circle.
we're gonna take a step back. We're gonna pass the egg
Wait, how are you
around.
gonna record this?
Because I'm a savage, nigga. Every time the egg goes around and ends up on me again, we take a step back like we did.
You're
Put the
recording.
camera.
Go.
Put the camera on the hoop.
Go.
Cool. Throw it at
Right
him.
here. All right,
Camera on the
step
hoop.
back.
Fuck.
Oh shit, this is gonna get real.
Now here.
Put the camera on the
Carlos,
hoop.
be sincere.
Oh.
Bro. Be sincere.
Sincere. What the
How
fuck
was
is
that?
that?
The pass.
Oh shit, one-handed.
That.
You ready?
Savage.
Oh wait, step back.
Idiot.
All right, you ready?
No, nigga.
Hey, you can't like.
Guys, where?
Go.
This dude.
Oh, one-handed, nigga.
Step back.
All right, step back.
Oh, shit,
You ready?
This is getting real.
Yo, wait. Can we take a step?
All right, go. All right, we're about like 9 steps back. And I think someone's gonna drop it now.
Ready? Ready? Oh, you got it. Go. Alright, go. Oh. Oh, yeah. Alright, go. Go. Fuck. Alright, my turn. Oh, these nuts. Oh. Bro, I have to pop like any second now, bro. Of course. This nigga's like addicted to being naked. Are you addicted to being naked? Shut the shut up. Go. Alright, my turn. Go. Wait! Doesn't matter, that's what we do. Ready? Alright, go. Dude.
Ah!
No, that was a bad.
Ah!
That was a bad throw.
Doesn't matter.
That was a bad
You
throw.
still dropped it. That was not a bad throw, brother.
it was.
It hit your hands.
You know what? You guys vote. You guys vote.
Go.
I think it was good.
Let me see the.
Raise your hand if you think that was a good throw.
I think it was good.
No.
Trevor, you count.
No.
Majority rule.
He threw it.
Go build the boulder.
You have to write
the build
honk for Trump on your
Actually,
stomach.
you know what? It's okay. I'll do it. I'll take his challenge. I'll do
No.
it.
Now, how about both of you do it?
Yeah.
I wanna do it by myself.
No. Screw you. Both
Bro,
of us will do it.
what the heck? Who wants to do a consequence?
I know, right?
All right, both of you are doing it.
Build the content.
All right, we have finished for the honk for Trump signs.
I got you. Wait.
We did one. This one is Frankie's.
Here goes.
Frankie's gonna hold this in the middle of the street.
I got you, fam.
And
Not in the
then-
middle of the street, fam.
Oh, well,
Stay.
on the side of the street.
Yeah.
something. And we made another one.
I'm not gay.
He said,
I'm not gay.
All right, let's
not
head.
gay.
Let's head outside. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, I had to use Carlos's phone because my phone ran out of battery. But here we are in the street with a sign. All right, go. Stick out your sign. Go.
Honk for Trump!
Honk for Trump. Honk for Trump. Get out the way. Honk for Trump. Honk for Trump. That's 3. You guys have to reach 5 cards. You guys have to reach 5 cards.
Top on Trump!
Oh, you guys still need. What are you doing? No, my God, this nigga.
Face that way. Face that way. Get on, do this.
Dude, your grandma's there. Oh.
Oh,
Trump!
Honk
Honk for Trump!
Honk for Trump.
Honk. Yeah! Yeah! Trump! Honk for Trump! Yeah! Another one! Honk for Trump! Honk for Trump! Yeah! Wow. Yeah! Alright, we did it, guys. I said 5 cars and you guys got 8. You guys made me proud. Oh, wait, another one? Last one. Alright, whatever. Guys.
I'm hanging this up on my wall.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And just so I know you made it to the end of the video, comment down honk for Trump. And stay tuned for the bonus clip.
Bonus clip.
Oh! Yo!
Who the fuck did that?
Is the marker showing?
Yo, no,
Oh,
he
shit.
told me to. He told me to.